how to change your password on Jet2 account. So if you want to change your password on my Jet2 account, then first you need to open up a browser, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply choose any browser that you're comfortable with. Go for the search bar, search for Jet2, and here you will have the first search, which is www.jet2.com. Click on that and it will take you to the website. Make sure to sign into your account by going to the upper right, and once you sign in, click on your account or your profile and then scroll down and go for personal details. And under your personal details, here you can scroll down and here you will have password option, right? So you can simply go for reset, which is on the right side. And from here, you need to enter your email address to verify. So enter your email address and click on send verification code. And now they've sent you a verification code to your email inbox. So simply open up your email and enter that verification code. So here you will have your mail. Click on that mail and then you need to enter this code. Once you've entered, click on verify. And after clicking on verify, now it will take you to create password page. So here it says that you need to enter your new password. So simply enter your new password here, and after entering your new password, click on continue. And once you click on continue, your password will be changed. And that's it, your password has been changed successfully. So that's how you change your password on Jet2. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.